It's absurd and unfortunate that we have lost some people here in the barracks as a result of gunshots. One Sergeant Obua Isaac, a medical staff that works in the lab, out of influence of alcohol and possibly marijuana, was influenced to take that action with a background of domestic violence or problems with his wife, who is also a soldier of military police. In so doing, the sergeant wanted to shoot the wife, but fortunately the wife escaped. But those who are within the proximity of the scene fell victims of circumstance. Among the dead, we have 3 children and 3 women.